In this video tutorial, we will design a login page using React.js with Bootstrap. So now let's get started. After creating your React app, we will install Bootstrap. So to install the Bootstrap, let's move to the terminal. After coming to the terminal, just write npm install Bootstrap, so it will install Bootstrap. After installing the Bootstrap, now let's run our React app. So to run React app, we will write npm run div. I have created my React app using Vue.js, so that's why I should write npm run div to run our React app, the server. So our React app is running now. Let's press Ctrl plus this URL, so it will open our React app. Right now we don't have anything on our UI, so let's start our login page. First of all, come here to the src folder. Here we will create a component folder. After creating it, now inside this we will write login.jsx RAFCE. It is React arrow function export component. It will change it to the component. This shortcut will be whenever you install this extension. Let's check it. Extension that I have already installed. This extension. After installing this extension, you will be able to use that shortcut. Now let's after installing Bootstrap, let's import it. So to import it, come here to the login, and here we will import the Bootstrap. To import it, we will write import bootstrap /dash/css /bootstrap.min minimum.css. It means the minimize file min.css, and now we are able to use our React app Bootstrap. So in the first div element, I will just assign class name dplex bg primary. This is background color, and align items center and justify content center. And vertical height 100. Now let's write another div element. This is our forum. Okay, inside this we will have our input forums. So let's design it class name, add class name. This is also dplex. Instead of this, let's add padding 3, rounded, bg white, and width 25. It is how it looks like. Okay, now let's add our forum. So after adding the forum, inside the forum we will have a div element, and this div element we will add a class name, margin bottom, for example 3. Inside this div element we will have a label for email. Let's wrap it inside strong tag, and we will write here email. Let's write input field, type text, type email, autocomplete of placeholder, enter email, and also we will add now class name, forum control, rounded 0. It means the border should not be rounded. And now let's add another div element, our password. Copy this div element and paste it here, and it should be password. Copy it, paste it here, and this is type of this is password. Let's remove this autocomplete from password. Let's check it now how it looks like. Come here to the browser, and let's first of all import this login inside app.jsx. Let's write here log in. Press enter, so it will automatically import login. Now let's use it. Okay, it looks like this right now. Okay, let's add border to these input fields. So to add border, for that we will use class name here, border dark same to the another field. Copy it, paste it, and here at the top down here we will just add h2 tag, that is login. We will just write login. Down from this, now we will just write button, and this button is just for login. Let's add class name, width 100, and button success, rounded 0. Let's check it now. So this button success, see, yeah, it looks like this better. Now down from this we will have an input field, another div element. Here we will have an input type checkbox, and down from that span, and here we will have agree with terms and conditions. Let's add a class name here, margin and 2, class name margin y 2 per. Save it. Let's check it now. So it looks like this. Let's add another button at the end. Just shift alt down arrow key, take a copy, alt down arrow key, it will come down, and this is button default, and we will add border dark, and this is for sign up page. So let's save it, and now let's check it. So this is for the sign up page. So it is how we can create a login page. Now whenever we write something in these input fields, we will store them in a variable, straight variables. So for that, let's declare 2 variables, const email, set email, use state hook. We will use state hook. Default value is empty string. This email is variable that we will use. Set email is the method that we will update this variable. Let's take a copy of this, and this is password. Set password, default value empty. Whenever we want to change this, so for that, come here to the input fields, and here we will write on change. We will add on change event, and we will call create in a row function event. We will call set email method, and we will update that variable. We will write e.target dot value. What it will do, whatever we are writing in this input field, it will store inside this email variable. Now let's use this set password. Also, let's simply copy this, the same method we will create, just we will change the name of method, which is set password. Now whenever we submit the button, so whenever we press login button, we will print just the data. So this is a submit button with us. Whenever we press login button, we will call here on submit event on submit. So on submit event, we will call a function handle submit. Now just come here, and we will create const handle submit is equal to, this is an arrow function. We will call e.prevent default. What it will do, it will prevent the default submission, and here we will just console dot log, first of all email, and plus email, and console dot log. We will now print here password, and let's plus password. It will do, it will print us the password. Now let's check it. Okay, just let's move to the browser and to the Chrome, to the console. Come here to the console. Let's write here the email .com and password. example, press login button. See, we have printed email and password. So it is how we can handle the login page in React.js and design it with the Bootstrap. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video helpful, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.